It started out as a quiet courtroom hearing until the numbers were said aloud. $200,000 spent on porcelain statues. And at the center of it all, Robyn Brown. Robyn has painted herself over the years as the cool, calm, budget-conscious wife in the Sister Wives family. But court documents revealed something far different, an obsession that drained family finances and plunged the Browns deeper into financial chaos. The evidence was irrefutable. Bank statements showed frequent, large payments. $4,000 here, $7,500 there. All destined for one collector's site in Utah. The goods, limited, edition, rare figurines, each hand, painted, imported, and insured for thousands. Christine and Janelle had been warning for a long time that money was disappearing faster than it was being earned. But Kody dismissed them, assuming Robyn was being careful with money. In fact, the family's shared account was quietly funding a personal collection that nobody else even knew existed. The judge's tone was sharp in court. "These purchases," he said, "don't talk of necessity, they talk of excess." Witnesses testified that entire rooms in Robyn's home were filled with glass cases. Rows and rows of porcelain angels, royal couples, and handmade works of art, some still wrapped, never opened in pristine boxes. What stunned the courtroom most wasn't just the amount, it was the time frame. The shopping continued even as the Browns struggled with back taxes, overdue property charges, and mounting credit debt. Christine's attorney pointed to one episode in particular, a $12,000 shopping binge within weeks of Coyote Pass nearly being lost. The judge's face said it all. When asked why, Robyn answered that it was emotional comfort during times of stress, but to many who witnessed it, it was a symbol of priorities lost and trust broken. The choice was made. Assets traceable to excessive spending would be scrutinized. Every account, every transfer, every clandestine purchase in Robyn's name, frozen under further investigation. Cameras clicked outside the courthouse as reporters shouted questions. But Robyn had no comment. The woman who had once been the peacekeeper of the family was now charged with quietly undermining everything they had built. As the hearing came to a close, one thing was certain. The Browns' financial woes weren't just an issue of bad luck. They were an issue of choice. And for Robyn, those choices were now out in the open. Because when a $200,000 obsession is exposed, it is not just a scandal, it is a reckoning.